Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eman. I'm super excited because this is the first skincare video of the new year, and you guys know skincare is so important for makeup, for beauty, for everything. I've been using 5 products recently that work so well and I know will make a huge difference in your skin. All right, I hope you guys are excited for this video as I am. Let's get into the 5 skincare products that will transform your winter skin. First up is a moisturizer that I think will work for all skin types. It is the Active Moist Moisturizer by Dermalogica. I love this moisturizer because it works amazing for combination skin. So if you tend to get oily in the T-zone but dry in other parts, you are going to love the texture and feel of this moisturizer. It's very sheer, it's very lightweight, so it doesn't feel heavy on. It's oil-free, so if you tend to have any breakouts or acne, this will still work amazing for you. And I just find this to be the perfect moisturizer for every day, and it works on pretty much all skin types. So if you're looking for that one go-to moisturizer to add to your skincare routine, this is definitely the one I recommend. Product number 2 is an eye cream. Eye cream are one of those things that I feel like you use them and then you wonder, like, is it really working? Is it making a difference? I've tried so many different eye creams, but I finally discovered one where I actually feel like it's making a difference and I'm seeing a difference in the texture around my eye area. It is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex. This is actually more of an eye gel. It has a gel texture to it. It helps repair the skin around the eye area from things like pollution, lack of sleep, UV rays. So you'll notice a big difference in puffiness, dark circles. I really notice that when I use this at nighttime, the next morning, the eye area looks plumper, it looks brighter. So this works really great for all those things: dark circles, fine lines, wrinkles. So if you're looking for a great eye cream to test out, this is one I definitely recommend. Product number 3, this is one you guys might get mad at me for because it's a little bit hard to get your hands on it, but if you can, you have to try it out. It is the Henriksen Clarify Serum. So the reason this is hard to get your hands on is because it is only available at the Henriksen Face and Body Spa, which there's only one location and it's in West Hollywood in California. So if by any chance you happen to be in Los Angeles and you can get to the spa, I definitely recommend it because this Clarify Serum is everything. I've been using it for the last couple of months and I've noticed such a huge difference in my skin. I feel it gives your skin such a beautiful texture. It gets rid of acne. It makes your skin look brighter and plumpier, and it's kind of like an all-around clarifier. So it really just helps clarify your skin overall. This is a tricky one, I know, but if you guys can get your hands on it, you will love it, I promise. Item number 4 is something that I love to indulge in. It is the Lancome Absolute Nourishing Lip Balm. This is one of the most luxurious lip balms. It feels like heaven on your lips. It'll make your lips feel like butter, and it smells incredible. It smells like honey and rose mixed together. I use this in the morning and at nighttime, and my lips always feel so conditioned. It also is amazing for fine lines around your lips. It leaves your lips feeling super hydrated, plump, and soft. So if you really kind of want to treat yourself a little bit, I really recommend this lip conditioner. Every time you put it on, it will make you feel special, I promise. And the last item is something I've actually talked about several times on my channel. It is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. So this is a daily chemical peel. So you can use this chemical peel every single day. It comes in 2 parts. First part is for exfoliating and smoothing out the texture of your skin, and the second part is for anti-aging. So you can use these daily in the morning or at night. You start with step 1 and you massage the pad on clean skin. So you keep using it until basically you feel that it loses its moisture and it gets dry. You just keep massaging it into your skin. You let that sit for a couple minutes and you move on to step 2 and do the same thing. You're gonna massage the pad onto the clean skin until it feels like the pad is not moist anymore. Doing a chemical peel like this, it's gentle enough to be able to do it daily, does wonders for your skin. If you have acne, it will definitely help with that. It helps with pore pores, lines. It helps with skin's texture. So if you have rough texture on your skin, it'll help make your skin feel so smooth. It helps with dullness. It's gonna give your skin a beautiful glow. If you find that your skin tone's really uneven, it even helps with that. It just overall makes your skin look and feel more radiant and brighter. And it's a way of doing a really intense exfoliation, but gentle enough to be able to do it every single day. And those are my 5 current favorite must try beauty skincare products. You guys are gonna love these. I hope you get a chance to try them out. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button so you stay up to date with all my new videos. And of course, if you love beauty, if you love skincare, if you love anything to do with just feeling beautiful inside and out, I think you will love this channel. So make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to also add me on Instagram at Eman, because I post there every day. So if you guys want to see my face every day, make sure you add me. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye.